Hello everyone, our lesson today is parallelism. I know most of us are already familiar with this term, but what does parallelism mean? Parallelism uses similar words, phrases, or clauses to show that ideas have the same level of importance. The structure improves readability. It gives a natural flow to a written word. So when we use parallelism, it actually helps our listener as well as our reader to understand what we are talking about. It is also defined as the balance between two or more similar words, phrases, and clauses. So now that we understand what parallelism is, let's talk about the different uses of parallelism. Why is it important to use parallelism? The first one is to coordinate elements in a series so that we establish connection. So what are the connection between these elements? Why are they important? The second one is to pair ideas. The third one is to enhance coherence. Coherence talks about the proper sequence or proper organization of ideas so that your listener or your reader can easily understand the meaning of what you are saying. The fourth one is to organize lists. Are you ready? Let's practice. For the first one, Nancy likes the piano, the trumpet, and the guitar. So what are these words? The piano, the trumpet, the guitar. These are what we call, very good, these are what we call nouns. So let's recall what nouns are. A noun is a part of speech that names a person, place, thing, idea, action, or quality. Let's proceed to the second example. She played basketball, had a shower, and went to school. Take a look at the emphasized words. These are verbs in past tense. So we already know that verbs are action words. So this one uses past tense. So the verb here is in past tense. Third example, to learn is to understand the world. This is what we call an infinitive. So this is an example of sentence that has an infinitive. So what is an infinitive? An infinitive follows the structure of having the preposition to plus the base form of the verb. So when we say base form of verb, this is what we call, for example, we have walk, run, eat. Those are base form of the verb. Next example, she is mad about watching TV more than reading a book. These are gerunds or gerund. What is a gerund? Gerund are verbs that function as nouns. So take a look. Watching and reading, if you're going to look at these words alone, those are verbs, right? They indicate an action. But in the sentence, they are not verbs. They are used as a noun. So therefore, we call it gerunds. Gerunds are verbs, function as nouns, and don't forget, gerund has an ing. So they are in present form, but they are not action words, they are nouns. Next, be strong, be brave, be courageous. All right, what type of parallelism is this? This is what we call the anaphora. What is an anaphora? Anaphora is a specific type of parallelism in which the same word or phrase is repeated at the beginning of successive sentences. So let's take a look. Be brave, be strong, be brave, be courageous. So definitely the word be is repeated in every sentence. So this is an anaphora. Next, for the last one we have, when you fail, you must be kind. When you succeed, you must be kind. This is what we call the epistrophe. Epistrophe is a specific type of parallelism in which the same word or phrase is repeated at the end of successive sentences. So that is an epistrophe. So let's take a look at the example again. So at the first part of the sentence we have, when you fail, you must be kind. And on the second one, when you succeed, you must be kind. So therefore, you can clearly see that some words are repeated in the sentence. So that is an epistrophe. So that's all for our lesson today. I hope you learned something. Thank you for listening, and you can approach me if you have any question. Stay safe and see you next time.